is pre-travel day. Tomorrow we are heading to India, and it has been 7 years since we were there and we got married. So it's very exciting. Yeah. So we're heading to Trivandrum. So we will stop via Dubai. We're flying Emirates. So on the first leg we'll be in economy. Second leg will be in business class, which is nice because that's when we're sleeping. And then we'll arrive in Trivandrum like very early hours of the morning, like 2 a.m. So we have driven down from Leeds this morning, and we've driven down to the Premier Inn at Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, Heathrow. Maya, are you excited to go on a plane?
Yeah, I saw the big airplane go past me.
Yeah, you can see the aeroplanes landing right behind the hotel. So we've parked up. Parking was £15 for the night. So when you come in and check in, just let them know you've parked. And they'll give you a little voucher, and then you can just go outside and pay for the parking. It does it by your number plate. And I'll give you a quick tour of the room. So let's go for it. Let's have a look. We turn you around. So I'll show you from walking in. Shall I put the mood lighting on?
I get to have a sleep.
Yeah. Are you going to sleep already? Are you?
Yeah, what's
Okay, so we come through to the room. This is one of the newly renovated rooms. So you have climate control here, light switch for the bathroom there. Obviously, if I just do this, you've got the nice purple lighting. Nice for your evening. We have the full light as well. Nice storage space for your cases. Excuse me, coughing. I've ended up getting tonsillitis before setting up. So we have the hooks here to hang your coat. A nice mirror there. A socket hairdryer. Does the mirror light up, May I reckon it does? Yes, it does. You have 2 towels down there, some coat hangers, and a little storage shelf on the top. You also have a full-length mirror.
Once Mummy done it, you can do
Do
it.
you want to wave in the mirror? You're on shot. Yay! Hi.
I get to do watching area there, so I just need to watch area first.
Okay. And then there's a storage drawer down here. There's another area to put your case. I think it's just like a spare mattress or something to go on the floor. Excuse me. Big desk with a lamp, some more power sockets as well. USB included, so that looks to be a USB, normal sockets.
I want to watch something.
Then there's teas, water for glasses for water even. What do you have in here? Just like PG tips, some little coffee, so nothing too exciting. Our view is to the garden area, but you can't see. They've got like a mesh curtain inside which you can't open. So unfortunately we can't watch the planes come in and out, can we? Because you were enjoying that, weren't you? We are staying in a family room. So Maya has her own bed. Go on then, show me how you get into bed.
You need to do it like this. I get into bed,
Yep.
and you call, and now you turn the TV on, and I will watch you, Mummy. Can you turn on this? Because I want to watch it right now.
Okay, is the bed comfortable?
Yeah.
Good. And this will be Mummy and Daddy's bed, won't it?
Where's my bed? I just left it.
It's okay, no, it's in a drawer. So again, little bedside table. You've got a socket with a USB, controlling the main lights. Okay, there we go.
Mummy, I need my lights though.
Yeah, just wait a minute. Okay, let's go through. What does the bathroom look like? What does it look like?
Can I press
Ooh, nice. So it's a shower with glass, which is great. I hate shower curtains, so this is perfect. So you get a soap, so it's like soap and shampoo. And it looks like a bit of one of those waterfall heads. Nice sink, some soap, bin, toilet, all the things. Very clean, very nice.
I need to
Yes.
press those because I'm going to try.
Okay, go on then. Turn the lights, not that one. Do the ones above it. Yeah, go on then, show me. Woo! Do you like that?
Yeah, I just want to go. I want to watch area with this light.
Okay, well let's see. And if you get a newly renovated room, you get a very nice big TV.
I'm sleeping.
I'm pretty happy with that. Can you remember what we paid? The family room?
Where's the
£45.
So for the family room, I think we paid about £45. So it doesn't include any food. But we're leaving so early in the morning, we don't need breakfast. And we'll just go eat down in the restaurant. I've watched some of the vlogs and
Careful, Dion.
They've said that they're really nice.
Careful, your hands.
So we'll go
Yeah,
downstairs.
careful.
I'll also show you my mum's room as well because she's just staying in a double room. So we'll see what that's like.
Where's
Okay.
my ball? Where's my Muzzy?
It's in a bag. Just give me a minute. I'm going to say bye for now.
Bye.
So just came and looked, and there's a little cheers thing. It's a little bottle opener. How cool is that? I need to spot it in mine now, but that's so cool. So if you bring your own drinks, you can use that. There is no fridge in here though, so just bear that in mind. You won't be able to keep them chilled. So just heading down the corridor, we're just going to head downstairs, have a look at the menu. I'll show you around downstairs. There's a bar, there's a Costa. What else? A restaurant. You've got the check-in. Maya, this way to the lift.
No, I'll go first.
Press the button then. Oh no, some new Premier Inns are pretty big.
I've never been in one before, so I don't know really.
Stayed in a few in the past, but they're very small.
But the rooms are everywhere.
Like rooms and general,
Doors
it's
closing.
not very big hotels. But maybe it's airport now, but that's not big.
No, I've been to some Premier Inns, they've been pretty big. You don't need to press it more than once.
floor.
No, we're already here. You ready? But you need to walk out.
Doors
She doesn't want to wear it. She's too warm, she said.
Oh, it's warm in here.
Maya, just walk slowly with us, please. Maya.
I want a nice juice.
Let's just look around first. So you got a vending machine.
Vending machine.
Yeah,
Opening
drinks.
chocolate.
Okay, so some seating area to one side. I'll just quickly go out and show the car parking. Maya, why don't you stay here? Because you haven't got your jacket on. Have you? You took it off, remember? I'm just going out here. So this is the back entrance. This is where the car park is. Which backs onto the airport. Sounds like one might be coming in. There it is. Was that cool? Was that cool? Okay, so you just get the parking there. Right, come on then inside, because you haven't got a jacket on. You're going to get cold. Yeah, you're going to get cold. Timed it perfectly that a plane was just coming in.
Have you got Wi-Fi in your bedrooms?
Oh,
Do
I'm sure you
remember?
do. I'll have to look at it. I really know. No, oh wait, I had to take my tablet. What time did I say I needed to take it? Oh, it's 4:30.
5 to 5.
Right, Maya, just a minute. So you have a Costa. No, we're looking at the menus, Maya.
Maybe we will sit waiting for the food.
Mm-hmm.
We are so hungry. So,
Pass the coffee. It looks like they're getting the restaurant ready now. Time bar. Let's go have a look at the menu. This way, Maya. The menu's down here.
okay, and now we can go in and get.
I think it's down. It's here. There's a menu.
Mother,
Too far away to see.
Maya, don't pull on me, please.
I think it will
Right,
say
come on.
upstairs.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. Let's have a look at the bar menu.
I'll go upstairs.
No, not yet.
I wouldn't tell the Costa closes.
Probably opens till quite late, I would have thought. Yeah, don't encourage Maya, please. We're showing her things. What have you got?
Remove the cap.
Hey?
Should I remove the cap and show you?
Well, what is it?
So go down. hot milkshake.
Do you want to say it in Malayalam for all the Malayalis out there?
Hot milkshake and
Oh wow, that sounded like such a different language right there. It's a hot milkshake and la 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 la. Does that make it Malayalam, does it? Just stick a la 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 on the end. I feel like you're cheating.
no, I'm not. Milkshake.
God knows how much the chocolate is. I can't see a price.
So you need your card for security as well, so no one can just get up. They need a card,
Oh, right.
which is good. So food's just arrived. I went for the pepperoni pizza. Thumbs up, Maya? Is it looking good? Yeah. What did you go for?
Steak salad with
decent piece of
chicken
steak.
wings.
I think Maya might be eyeing up your tomatoes and cucumber, if I'm honest. And Mum went for the margarita pizza, which looks good. Bowl of chips. So let's dig in.